Hi, I'm Tim. Join me in this video. I'm going to show you an incredibly easy, user-friendly way to determine a wind forecast for your RC model airplane flying. Let's get to it. When you're a full-scale pilot, weather is an incredibly important part of what you do for flying. You look at things like visibility, ceiling, cloud height, wind, icing, a range of things. It's a lot simpler for RC model flying because we're always flying visually. We've got to see our models. We are generally below the clouds. We fly on good visibility days. The one aspect of weather that we do focus on, we have to think about a fair amount, is wind. Now, all pilots should be able to fly their RC model aircraft in wind. It's just part of your basic piloting skills. If you're comfortable with the model, it's a little bit windier than normal, you may consider flying just to get used to how your model handles in the wind, landing and taking off in crosswinds, and so forth. However, there are times when you may want to go enjoy your RC model airplane flying without having to worry about wind. Perhaps it's a test flight, some models a little bit smaller. You just want to go out in very calm wind conditions. How do you determine a day or two out what the wind is going to be at your RC field? I'm going to show you right now an incredibly easy way to determine the wind forecast for your RC field. I've used this for the last several years. It is remarkable how accurate this forecast is. Let's take a look at how to do that now. This is a smartphone, and we're going to go to the weather channel like so. Standard weather channel, but notice we're not going to fly at my home location. What we do is we touch this and we pick where we're going to go. My RC field is in Loganville, and that'll go there, and that'll be the forecast for Loganville. Now the key is to go down here to the hourly portion. We touch that, and what'll happen is it goes out for 48 hours, but note it gives the wind speed. So if we want to fly, say, Tuesday morning, it's in 2023, there's the wind. It's a beautiful flying day up through 9 o'clock, up through really noontime. The winds are at max 2 miles an hour. And of course, you can see the temperature, the sun, the chance of rain. This wind, I've used it for several years. It is incredibly accurate on the forecast, just so you have some idea what the wind's going to be when you head out to the RC field. Thank you for joining me in this video. It's fun to know the wind before you head out to the RC field. This is a very easy way to do it. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you on future videos. Good luck flying.